Hey everyone, once again, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude here with another Jurassic World figure unboxing. Today we'll be taking a look at the new Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous Gallimimus from Mattel, and I got these online. I ordered them off walmart.ca to have a little flock dynamic, so I could do scenes with retro Kenner figures with the Gallimimus figure, because I personally, at the moment, do not have the Kenner Gallimimus, and I absolutely love these as a very cheap stand-in, as they're beautifully colored and fit in with that retro style. I do have the baby Gallimimus from Jurassic Park 1994, the second series, and you can see it also sports that blue paint job down the back with the red stripes as well, and a kind of similar paint job. Even has a yellow eye, which these figures also have, so that's pretty cool. So now I'll have 4 of them in total, and hopefully in the future Mattel will make more of these kind of Kenner style repaints. I did a video a while ago on a repaint that I made of the classic Kenner Rex. And it would be cool if Mattel did similar styles like this. I know they also did the blue Triceratops based off, I think, the Lost World one, the prototype that was shown. So that's pretty neat. So let's get these guys out of the package, but first let's take a look at the back. You can see there's also Troodon in the lineup, Dimorphodon, there's Gallimimus, rendered in a pretty cool running position, and then little Bumpy. So cute. Okay, each of these also come with a little, like, card pack, or stickers, and a little, like, plaything for kids. Anyways. And what's really cool about these figures as well is the underbelly is also painted, so there's, I think 4 different paints on here, which is pretty neat. Cool to see that they're not just avoiding that underbelly paint job, because without it, it would look pretty bad. But with it, it just makes the figure pop out way more. I know these ones kind of have trouble standing. Compared to the original, which had like 2 or 3 layers or colors, it's a lot more vibrant, and again fits in with that retro Kenner style. Are you gonna stand? No, you're not. That's fine. And the boxes are pretty cool. The standard Camp Cretaceous logos on the side. They have Darius, a few of the main characters, and Toro on the front. And the packages are quite easy to open up. There's another one. There's a scan code on the foot before I forget. Sometimes I tend to do that. If you want to get more scan codes, check out my channel. There's, if you haven't already, there's some videos on all of the scan codes of the dinosaurs in the background. Oh, my camera's doing that weird thing. That's not good. Let's try fixing it. There we go. Back to normal. Okay. I'm just seeing, just because I have like 3 of them, might as well get the most out of the video. But yeah, it's also neat that they put that little tab where you stick your finger underneath and pull the backing off. Makes it easier to open it, which is just like a little detail in Mattel packaging. Now let's try and stand these guys up. Gallimimus wasn't shown in Camp Cretaceous, which is kind of unfortunate because it would have been cool to see color variants. As most of you guys know, the dinosaurs in Camp Cretaceous, like Stegosaurus, Sinoceratops, and Parasaurolophus, have color variants on them, or they do just have variations in color, which is pretty neat. I think we're eventually going to see different color Sinoceratops. I don't think that one was shown in Camp Cretaceous, though. I think it's more of a realistic style. But it would have been cool to see different colors of Gallimimus, and maybe this paint job would have been featured. There we go. They're all standing. Man, I just love them all together. That color really fits well, and I'm excited to get out and do some photography with them. And here's the 4th one. Whoop. Oh man, I just screwed up everything. That's fine. But But they're just amazing. Really great that Mattel released them. This has to be one of my favorite Attack Pack lineups, along with that Troodon that was released as well. And again, I'm looking forward to what Mattel has to offer in the future with maybe throwback color retro Kenner figures. So yeah, no, these are definitely amazing for starting flocks or for Kenner photography. If you don't have the Kenner Gallimimus, these are a great stand-in as well for any use, and just very great, cheap in general. I think they're $13 up here in Canada and maybe $8 down in the States, and they seem to be available everywhere at the moment, which is great. Mattel is finally working on their distribution, which is absolutely fabulous. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing video, and make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this and more Jurassic World figures and whatnot. Yeah, so I'll see you all in the next video then. Bye-bye.